Buckle up, fam, because you're about to witness the future of video creation. I'm talking about HeyGen, the insane new AI that is about to change the game. HeyGen is an online platform that allows anyone to create custom videos using artificial intelligence. With just a few clicks, you can generate professional quality talking avatars, text-to-video animations, and more. To show you what I mean, let's dive into a demo. First off, we have the avatar creator. Simply upload a photo and HeyGen's advanced AI will generate a customizable 3D model that looks just like you. The quality is unbelievable. Facial expressions, lip sync, everything is on point. You can then customize your avatar's hair, clothes, background, and more using intuitive controls. Want to go for a smart professorial look, a funky hipster, an astronaut? No problem. HeyGen gives you fine-grained control to design your virtual self however you want. Now comes the really crazy part. You can make your avatar deliver any speech just by typing text into the script box. That's right, instant AI text to video. The avatar's mouth movements and vocals will be automatically generated to match. It sounds robotic, but prepare to have your mind blown. The AI mimics human speech patterns in an incredibly natural way. Listen to this sample I created earlier.
Hello world. My name is Matthew and I'm an AI-powered virtual human. I was created by HeyGen to showcase the power of their new text-to-video animation technology. As you can see, I can fluently deliver any text fed into the system with realistic lip sync and vocal inflections. Just type whatever you want and I'll say it flawlessly on video. Pretty neat, right? The future is here with HeyGen's game-changing AI.
I don't know about you, but that gave me goosebumps the first time I heard it. The quality is indistinguishable from a real human. Think about the possibilities this unlocks. You can now create a custom virtual spokesperson to be the face of your brand, or an intelligent AI tutor for educational videos. The options are endless. Moving on, HeyGen also has a massive library of pre-made video templates covering every topic imaginable. Simply select one, customize it with your own text, images, and colors, and download a professional video in minutes. It's amazing how easy HeyGen makes video creation, even for total beginners. No fancy equipment, filming, or editing is required. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you. But the cherry on top is how much time HeyGen saves. What used to take days of production can now be done with 60 seconds of effort. I'm not exaggerating. Creating this 3-minute product demo would have taken me at least 20 hours before. But with HeyGen's templates and automated workflow, I was able to finish it over my lunch break. As you can see, HeyGen delivers insane value. But how does it compare to other tools on the market? Let's quickly break it down. Compared to video editing software like Premiere Pro or After Effects, HeyGen is far simpler and more automated. Those advanced tools are great but have a steep learning curve. HeyGen makes professional video production accessible to anyone. Versus animated video makers like Vyond or Powtoon, HeyGen's AI is leagues more realistic. Those tools use basic pre-made assets. HeyGen videos look indistinguishable from real human footage. And compared to text-to-video sites like Synthesia, HeyGen gives you way more customization options for generating photoreal avatars and videos tailored to your brand. Now that you've seen everything HeyGen can do, you're probably wondering, how does it stack up against other similar tools on the market? There are a few high-quality and easy-to-use competitors out there offering AI-powered video creation, but in my opinion, HeyGen still comes out on top. Let's compare the details to some of the major players. First up is Synthesia. They were one of the first to make text-to-video avatars mainstream. However, their customization options are limited compared to HeyGen. You can't modify the look of their avatars much besides basic hair and clothing. HeyGen gives you full control to craft realistic 3D avatars tailored to your brand. Synthesia is also focused purely on avatars. HeyGen offers those photoreal talking heads too, but has way more features like customizable templates, backgrounds, graphics, and more. You can create full videos with HeyGen, not just talking heads. Next, let's look at Movo. They have an impressive text-to-video animation studio similar to HeyGen, but in my experience, their voice quality falls short. The AI can sometimes sound robotic and the lip syncing gets out of whack. HeyGen has nailed computer vision and machine learning to generate extremely natural voiceovers and lip movements. Even up against Movo's more expensive plans, HeyGen's vocal quality is cleaner. Now for a direct HeyGen competitor, Respicha. On the surface, Respicha seems comparable to HeyGen, but dig deeper and there are some key differences. Number 1. While Respicha has great voice cloning, their graphics and video capabilities are not as robust as HeyGen. HeyGen gives you a full suite of options like avatars, templates, and visual assets. Additionally, HeyGen has far more language and accent options for global users. Respeecher only has a few mainstream options. If you want to reach international audiences, HeyGen is superior. Lastly, I find HeyGen's user interface and workflows much smoother. Everything is seamlessly integrated rather than siloed features. Managing projects and assets is easier with HeyGen in my opinion. To wrap up the comparison part, HeyGen clearly leads when it comes to video versatility, customization, global users, and usability compared to others like Synthesia, Movo, and Respeecher. Those platforms are great in their own right, but HeyGen brings it all together into one powerhouse product. But I would like to hear your opinion too. Let me know in the comments which software you think is the best. Moving on, let's get into HeyGen's pricing. They offer a few flexible plans depending on your needs. First is a free plan, which gives you limited access to test things out. You only get one video per month up to 1 minute long, but it lets you play around before committing. Then comes the creator plan, which gives you 15 5-minute videos for $24 per month billed yearly. Perfect for testing with some limits. For power users, the business plan provides 30 20-minute videos for $72 per month annually. Enjoy unlimited seats and premium features like 4K. It's the best value for serious video producers. Custom enterprise plans are also available if you need unlimited videos and dedicated support. Big brands often choose this customized route. Most users will be happy with the business plan. For under $100 a month, you unlock AI superpowers to generate unlimited professional videos without costly production teams. HeyGen's pricing is extremely competitive for its capabilities. It makes high-quality video production accessible to all. Review their site for the latest details and choose the plan that fits your needs. In conclusion, we must say HeyGen is a game-changing AI video creator that makes producing professional videos easy and fast. With its photorealistic avatars, automated templates, and seamless workflow, anyone can generate engaging videos in minutes versus days. Though not perfect, HeyGen represents an exciting step towards democratized AI-augmented content creation. Yes, concerns around quality, privacy, and bias exist, but the core value of empowering people to rapidly bring ideas to life is undeniable. We've only scratched the surface of human AI creativity. As technology improves, it will unlock new horizons in education, business, marketing, and media. Production barriers disappear, language barriers disappear. HeyGen foreshadows a future where AI amplifies imagination and helps bridge divides. Despite limitations, it's an invaluable tool for content creators to grow their brand and impact. The future is here. Hop aboard the HeyGen rocket before it zooms past. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.